What if the reason your food sticks, cooks unevenly, or lacks flavor has nothing to do with your skills, and everything to do with your pans? I didn't trust the brochures. I spent months cooking everything from delicate eggs to searing steaks in the most hyped cookware sets on the market. The results exposed shocking truths. Some non-stick surfaces failed on day one, while others warped under high heat. But the 5 sets that made this list? The one at number 3 made omelets that slid out like a dream. And the champion we crowned number 1? It's the set I'm putting in my own kitchen for the next decade. The era of guessing is over. Starting at number 1. HexClad Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The HexClad 6-piece stainless steel cookware set features a laser-etched hexagon design that provides both a stainless steel and non-stick surface. This tri-ply construction set is dishwasher safe and scratch-resistant, making it easy to clean and maintain. The set is oven safe up to 500 degrees and can be used on stovetop and induction ranges. The Stay Cool handles provide a premium experience while cooking. Cook with less oil, grease, and butter with this high-quality set that comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 2. CAROTE Titanium Non-Stick Cookware Set. The CAROTE Titanium Cookware offers a durable non-stick surface that makes cooking and cleaning much easier by preventing food from sticking and resisting stains and odors. Made from reinforced die-cast aluminum, this set is built to last and handle everyday kitchen use without losing quality. It also ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook uniformly without hot spots, which helps with boiling, simmering, or reheating. Plus, the high-quality silicone lids seal and flavors and keep heat locked inside, enhancing your cooking results and saving energy. Number 3. Cuisinart Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The Cuisinart 77-11G Stainless Steel 11-piece cookware set includes 1.5 quart, 2.5 quart, and 3 quart saucepans with glass covers, 8 quart stockpot with glass cover, 8-inch and 10 skillets, and an 18-centimeter steamer insert. The aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, while the stainless steel cooking surface is easy to clean and does not react with food. The riveted stainless steel handles provide a comfortable grip, drip-free pour, and perfect balance. Measurement markings make cooking more convenient. This set is dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup and designed to last with a sleek mirror finish. Number 4. Astercook Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. The Astercook Ceramic Cookware Set offers a high-quality non-stick surface that makes cooking and cleaning easier while ensuring a safer, chemical-free experience. Its innovative removable handle gives you a secure grip and lets you cook with confidence, plus it makes storage simpler by saving space. You can easily detach the handle for thorough cleaning, which helps keep your kitchen neat. This set works well on various cooktops, including induction, gas, and ceramic, so you can cook efficiently no matter your stove type. Overall, this cookware set combines convenience, safety, and versatility for your everyday cooking needs. Number 5. CAROTE Handle Non-Stick Cookware Set. The CAROTE detachable cookware set offers a smart solution for kitchen storage by allowing you to remove the handles, saving up to 70% of space and keeping your kitchen tidy. This versatile set doubles as both cookware and dinnerware, so you only need to wash once, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. The detachable handles provide a firm grip and stability, making it easy for you to move the pans from stovetop to oven, grill, fridge, or table with just one click. Plus, the pans heat evenly and quickly with excellent non-stick surfaces, ensuring your meals cook perfectly every time, suitable for all cooktops including induction. Ready to transform your cooking foundation? Every set that earned its place in my kitchen, from the perfect starter collection to the professional-grade heirloom set, is linked for you in the description below. I've also included my essential utensil pairings. If this deep dive saved you from a costly mistake, support the channel, give us a like, share this with someone setting up their kitchen, and subscribe with the bell on.